What I want to do now is talk about multiples. Now, we've been talking about factors. Factors and multiples, a lot of students get those confused. And the reason they get those confused is because factors and multiples are part of the same family. They're how we decide what numbers can be multiplied by other numbers to give us certain products, or we could even say what numbers are divisible by others. But it's important to think about this. They're really kind of the opposites of each other. The factors are the smaller numbers that can be multiplied together to give a product. So, for example, the multiples of 5 are only 1 and 5. We get 5 by multiplying its factors, 1 times 5. The multiples of 5 are actually the numbers that 5 is a factor of those numbers. Or in other words, it's not the numbers that go into 5, but it is the number that 5 goes into in division and gives a whole number answer. It's actually really easy to find multiples. It's just your 5's multiplications, or we could even just say skip count by 5. So if I wanted to name the first 12 multiples of 5, I would start with 5 because it's 5 times 1. Then I would do 5 times 2, which is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. And then 40. And then 45. And then 50. And then 55. And then the 12th multiple of 5 is 60. So the first 12 multiples of 5 is just being able to count up all of the numbers of which 5 is a factor. 5 is a factor of every one of these numbers, but these numbers are actually multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, and 60 is the 12th multiple of 5 because it is 12 times 5.